Good day everyone, this is Sir Kent and today magkakaroon po tayo ng fast trail patungkol po sa ating Philippine and World Geography. Handa ka na ba? Let's start. Now, first question, ano po yung largest continent in the world? It's Asia. How about the smallest continent? It's Australia. How about the largest ocean? It's the Pacific Ocean. How about the highest mountain? Mount Everest. How about the longest river? It's the Nile River. How about the largest river? It's the Amazon. How about the largest desert? It's Antarctica. How about the largest island? It's Greenland. Ano naman po yung deepest ocean trench? It's the Mariana Trench. Ano po yung tawag doon sa 0-degree latitude? It's the equator. How about the 0-degree longitude? It's the prime meridian. How about what is the largest country by area? It's Russia. How about the current most populous country? It's India. Ano naman po yung country that is known as the land of the rising sun? It's Japan. Ano naman po yung largest archipelago in the world? It's Indonesia. How about the smallest ocean? It's the Arctic Ocean. How about the largest freshwater lake by area? It's the Lake Superior. How about the longest mountain range in the world? It's the Andes Mountains. How about the largest volcano on Earth? It's the Mauna Loa. How about what is the capital of Japan? It's Tokyo. How about the capital of Canada? It's Ottawa. How about the capital of Australia? It's Canberra. Now, proceed po tayo sa Philippine geography. What do you call the country that is known as the Pearl of the Orient Seas? It's of course the Philippines. What is the capital of the Philippines? It's Manila. How about what is the highest mountain in the Philippines? It's the Mount Apo. How about the longest river in the Philippines? It's the Cagayan River. How about the largest lake in the Philippines? It's Laguna de Bay. How about the largest island in the country? It's Luzon. How about what is the smallest province in the Philippines by area? It's Batanes. Ano naman po yung tinaguriang the rice granary of the Philippines? It's Nueva Ecija. How about the sugar bowl of the Philippines? Of course, it's Negros Occidental. How about the summer capital of the country? It's Baguio City. Ito, napakadali. The mango capital of the Philippines. It's Guimaras. Ano naman po yung tinaguriang the city of golden friendship? It's Cagayan de Oro. How about the heart of the Philippines? It's Marinduque. How about what is known as the Queen City of the South? It's Cebu. At kapag tinanong, ano po yung deepest trench in the Philippines? It's the Mindanao Trench. That's it for our fast deal sa ating geography sa Philippines and sa world. This is Sir Ken. God bless everyone.